Move the vehicle onto its place. Tap on the vehicle to learn more about it. Need to change a bulb in a street lamp or lift building materials to the roof? A bucket lift truck will come to the rescue. It is much faster and safer than climbing a ladder. We have to assemble bucket lift. Done! It's time to fuel bucket lift. We did it! To protect the house from foul weather. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. We need to wash. Bucket lift. Keep it up. You're doing really great. Drag the vehicle to the correct place. Find out which of the two vehicles is stronger. Choose two vehicles for the competition. Choose two vehicles for the competition. Don't overheat the engine when you accelerate. If you reach the red zone, the vehicle will lose power. This vehicle is stronger. Choose two vehicles for the...